Motor pulling one day or not? This shit cracking.
What's going on, guys? So I finally am getting something done on the lovely datsun. As you can see, she's pulled up to the garage. If you watched the last video, we were able to go ahead and get the 350Z motor, the VQ35 pulled, as well as the CD009 6-speed transmission, which means that it's ready as soon as it gets built to go into this bad boy. But until we get the L28 out of the datsun, there's nowhere to put it. So today we're going to be doing another pull video. Yeah, I know, guys, it's getting old doing pull videos, yada yada. Well, that's all we got. Coronavirus got me staying indoors, so what better to do than work on the cars, right? So enjoy. So last time you guys saw this thing, it may have been purple, it may have been this ugly white that you see here today. I am not a fan. As you can kind of see here, we're in need of a paint job. She's not pretty right now, and I'm not a fan of this terrible, disgusting plastic white. Ow, stupid thing, running into stuff over here. But anyways, I'm not a fan of the plastic white because it just is ugly. It's only there to protect the paint, because what I ended up having to pull all of the purple that used to be on there, which was really sad because there was some issues with the rust down here, which we're still gonna have to go and redo because I did it too quick. I rushed that job, but I got it done for the time being. Gonna need some new taillights, so if you know anybody, or you got some, hit me up in the link below. I would love to talk shop, maybe even purchase them from you. But yeah, so we got the 3-core radiator with the dual fan setup. That's gonna end up staying, but we need to pull it before we get this motor out of here so that we can kind of make some room. First things first, though, my good friend Josh over here and I are gonna pull off this lovely hood that is purple on one side and white on the other. Not a very good looking white either. So yeah, end goal though is once we get everything pulled out of this sucker is we're gonna repaint the whole bay. The whole car is gonna get painted. We got a lovely spot over here in the booth where the gent and lady are chilling, ready to work, so should be good. Thank you, babe. Boom.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
So there you have it, guys. We got the hood removed, so we should be able to get in, get out all the access without really bonking our heads. That thing is a pain in the ass for any of you datsun owners. You already know. For those who are thinking about getting one, I personally am probably going to end up doing a quick release system where I can just take it off when I'm at the track and stuff like that, so I don't run into any issues. Because you just can't get to too much without bonking your head or having it flop down in the wind. It's just a pain in the ass. I mean, yeah, I know there's supports and I have those, but still, they don't always work. Anyways, we're ready. We're going to start cracking down and see what we can do to get this sucker out of here.
And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost.
So now that we got it up on jack stands and everything like that. The hood's off, jack stands up. We're gonna go ahead and drain all the fluids so that we don't run into any sticky or messy situations while we're pulling the motor out. It's always recommended to start with this process because it can get pretty bad if you forget later and you start disconnecting things. It just turns into a big mess. It's not very fun to work in, so yeah.
A bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me howling, howling. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me howling, howling. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. Blind devotion, empty notion. Like a roaring ocean, slow in motion. Lay down your troubled mind. We are only guide and will kindly cease to be as we intertwine with the universe and its cosmic symphony. The smoke lingers after fire. The smoke lingers after fire. Blind devotion, empty notion. Like a roaring ocean, slow in motion. The smoke lingers after fire.
So we've basically got almost everything in the engine bay disconnected. At this point, all we need to do is get underneath and get the drive shaft and all that disconnected from the transmission, as well as the transmission mounts. And then we should be ready to start pulling. So we're pretty close. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick break. We'll be right back at you.
Lay down your trouble.